Part we will see another type of report, that is call center report. So when we click on this call center, then we will see the other different types of report also, such as call center performance report and call traffic daily. When we click on call center performance report, then call center performance report will be appear here. So in this call center report we can see the different types of fields here. So when we will talk about call center performance daily, then this report provide a view of the call center's performance, agent performance, and overall efficiency of the call center. So we will see the different types of field here, such as campaign time, campaign type. On the base, user will have to select any of the campaign type from here, inbound or outbound. The next one is start date. Here user can select start date. Next one is end date field. Here user can select end date. Next one is select report. Here today, daily, weekly, monthly, all fields are present here, and user will have to select these fields, any of them, and on the basis of this selected field the report will be generated here. By selecting all the field and user need to click on apply, then report will be generated. And after this report generation, user can also download this report by clicking on this download button. So now we will see that after report generation, there are some fields here. These data points are here. So first one is date, next one is offered, then answered, abundant, answer rate, abundant rate, average talk time, average answer delay, max answer delay, average abundant delay, longest abundant delay, utilization rate, and occupancy rate. So on the basis of all these fields, report will be generated. This one is incomplete for this time, but this will be complete later. So next we will see call traffic daily. Here also this call center report will be generated, and this call center traffic report insights into call volume, trending patterns, aiding in staffing and resource allocation. So we can see the report all is generated on the basis of these some fields, that is select campaign type. From here also user need to select a campaign type, that is inbound or outbound, and then user need to select IVR from this list, and then start date and end date. And in the same way user will need to click on this fields of select report. On the basis of that this report will be generated. Now report can also be downloaded from here. So we will see the different types of data fields. On the basis of that report will be generated, that is date, menu name, tried, answered, average call length, max IVR time, average IVR time, average queue time, and answer date. On the basis of these all fields the report will be generated. So now the next report we will know in next part.